Beautiful babes, hello. I was in the midst of cleaning out my beauty room and reorganizing, and I realized that I had this wonderful box of the Dr. Sebagh Exfoliating face mask that I'm so ready to try. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my skin look so dull today? Or maybe you've been searching for a way to smooth out rough patches and brighten your skin without the hassle of a complicated routine. Well, I'm about to try something that might just be the solution, and I can't wait to see the results. Yes, this exfoliating face mask looks like a total game changer. See, it's packed with amazing ingredients that I am just amazed with. Azelaic acid, lactic acid, and salicylic acid that are designed to gently exfoliate, hydrate, and even out skin tone. I'm so excited to see how it sweeps away dullness and refreshes my skin, hopefully leaving it soft and glowing. And guess what? It's supposed to work without feeling harsh or drying at all. What really stands out about this mask is how it's meant to tackle multiple skin concerns at once. If it helps with uneven skin tone and rough texture and gives that extra boost of radiance, then I know it's going to be a staple in my skincare routine. Plus, it only takes minutes to work, so I won't have to sit around forever waiting for results. I plan to use it twice a week, and I'm looking forward to how fresh and renewed my skin will feel after each use. It's going to be like giving my face a little spa treatment at home, and I can't wait to see if it leaves my skin hydrated, smooth, and glowing, just like it promises. Hey, if you've been searching for something to level up your skincare game, this might be it. I'll be trying it soon. Who's with me? Let's glow together. Y'all, let me go ahead and get into today's project, and I want to thank Dr. Sebagh for sending over this exfoliating face mask. I will keep you updated. While I was sitting here trying to get some work done, and when I looked around, my beauty room has gotten so congested and need to be reorganized. So I said, let me pause for a second and get to what I need to get to. So starting with the window treatments, I moved my bookcases out of the way and said, where is those pink panels, curtain panels that I purchased some time ago? I went ahead and said, man, let me put those up today. Let's get to it.
Do you see a woman of power, wild and free? Through all the struggles, through all the pain, you rise above, you own your name. They tried to dim your light, but you still shine, walking with grace, standing so divine. You're not just number one, you're the one. A crown on your soul, your reigns just begun. You are a queen, wearing proud, stand tall, breaking through the chains. You can have it all. You're not just number one, you are the one, shining like the stars, brighter than the sun. Each step you take, it's history in the making. Your heart is gold, and it ain't for breaking. Stronger than mountains, deeper than the sea. Nothing in this world can take your legacy. They tried to dim your light, but you still shine, walking with grace. your spirit run. You're not just number one, you are the one. I'm walking this road, but it's wearing me thin. Every step I take feels like I'm caving in, carrying the weight of what's not even mine. I'm losing my rhythm, I'm running out of time. Oh, I'm not your crutch, I'm not your saving grace. I need someone to hold me, to meet me face to face. I need someone to run to when my road runs out, when the world gets quiet and I'm drowning in doubt. I need a back rub, a foot massage, a steak dinner just because. I need someone to show me a little love. I need peace. Oh, I need peace. I've been the rock, I've been the steady hand, but now I need shelter, a place to stand. I'm not asking for miracles, just a little care, a moment to breathe in the open air. Oh, let them carry what they chose to bring. I'm done with the burden, I need my own wings. I need someone to run to when my road runs out, when the world gets quiet and I'm drowning in doubt. I need a back road, I need a back rub, a foot massage, a steak dinner just because. I need someone to show me a little love. I need peace, yo, I need peace. I don't need promises, just honesty. Don't need perfection, just let me be free. Take your troubles, your weight, your fears. I've carried enough through these endless years. I need someone to run to when my light burns low, when the world grows heavy and I've nowhere to go. I need a moment to touch, a reason to believe. I need peace, so just let me breathe. I need peace, yeah, I need peace. So here I stand, hoping for relief, longing for love, searching for peace. I've walked through shadows, felt the weight of the night, carried my doubts, barely holding the light. But I've learned to love the cracks in my soul. They let the sunlight in, help me feel whole. No more hiding, no more shame. I found strength in my own name. Through the fire, I've been refined. Now I know These scars on my skin tell a story of grace. Every tear I've cried brought me to this place. I don't need approval, no mirrors, no lies. The truth lives within me. It's been there all the time. No more doubting, I'm breaking free. The love I need starts within me. Through the silence I've heard my voice. Now I rise, I've made my choice. I am enough just as I am. Strong like the river, steady as the land. I've been through storms, but I'm still standing tall. I am enough, I've got it all. The world may try to tell me who to be, but I'll never lose the truth inside of me. I'm a masterpiece in the making, unshaken, unbreaking. I am enough just as I am, bright as the stars, part of the plan. I've been through storms, but I'm still standing tall. I am enough, I've got it all, I've got it all. I've got my heart, I'm whole, I'm strong just as I start. No more searching for someone's love. I am enough, I am enough. She looks in the mirror, sees a story unfold. Lines of laughter, dreams untold. Through the years she's walked so strong. Now it's her time, she can't go wrong. No matter the season, no matter the time, the glow in her heart still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in her eyes, ready to soar, ready to rise. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond, breakable, never afraid. She's been through the heartache, weathered the storm, still standing tall in grace she's adorned. Wisdom and wonder wrapped in her soul. Every new chapter she's taking control. No matter the season, no matter the time, the glow in her heart still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in her eyes, ready to soar, ready to rise. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond, unbreakable, never afraid. So wear your crown, let it shine. Own your story, every line. Lift your voice, let it be heard. You're a queen, you're the one. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, living your truth, letting love unfurl. Time can't define you, nor set you apart. You're forever young, with a fearless heart. Keep on shining, keep on glowing. still